Hi there, this is Puya from puyayoga.com. The topic is neck hump or buffalo hump. You might experience a little hump here, or sometimes maybe we have a bigger hump. This comes always from this posture. Maybe this is a fat issue, or maybe comes from your shoulder, the rounded posture. But altogether, because of hours of sitting, we are bending more and more forward. It's not only about the hump, this can go further to your posture, to your chest, to your lungs, and pressure also the heart. So it's not only about the optic correction that we want to do, it's more about the entire upper body. Today I will show you a simple exercise again, which we will do together. Hold it for a few seconds, and you will feel a good stretch in the upper back, in the neck. To open it, to exercise with me, you need a wall. So let's get there together. So just a plain wall. You need it to be completely empty, no picture, nothing hanging. You want to come as close as possible. Have your fingers here together and place them behind your neck. Not behind the head, just reach for the neck. The goal is to have your elbows closer. The moment you close them a bit, already you feel the stretch here in your lats, a bit in the upper back. The shoulders are activated. So keep it tight. Maybe you can come a bit closer. Then you want to come, reach to the wall. This is the first step. The second one is actually the deepest stretch. You want to slide your elbows as high as possible. Of course, depending on your flexibility, you might reach with your chest to the wall. You see also my head, I'm not bending down. I try to push with my head all the way to the back. This is the opposite of neck hump. If this is the creation of this bump or a buffalo hump, I'm moving back, so I'm moving my entire chest, shoulders. So pushing with your elbows, slide and back. You should feel a deeper stretch here. It might crack. That's not the goal. The goal is to stretch it. And we hold it together for 20 seconds. You see my chest is getting pushed to the wall, elbows up, and breathe in, breathe out. Hold it for some seconds. Feel the deepest stretch in your arm pads, in your lats, upper back, in the neck, shoulders. Is it too uncomfortable? You can make it 10 seconds, take a break, and join me again. Few more seconds. Feel the deepest stretch. Maybe your arms are shaking. And slowly, slowly, slowly back. You should feel a deep opening in this entire area as you have new volumes and space there. Even breathing is now easier. Feel it for some seconds. If you like, you can also repeat it. Do it for 2 or 3 rounds, 10 to 20 seconds on the wall for the maximum benefit. I will release really soon a neck course, a neck pain course, which will cover this entire area, the posture, cervical, neck hump. Follow me for more information. I see you soon. Let me know in the comment below how you feel about this exercise.